Hey guys, today I have this USB flash drive that I received from the seller. It comes in this beautiful box. Let's take a look what we have inside. Inside I have this drive itself. As you can see, it has two sides, regular USB-A port and this lightning port for the iPhone. Also I have this adapter, so I can use this flash drive with USB-C port. Yes, it works. I have a manual user guide with all those pictures, and I have a customer support information right here. This device comes with 1 year warranty, so I can reach out to customer support if I have any problem. To use this flash drive with my iPhone, I need to go to App Store and download the application. I downloaded it, and let's try it in action. I can see my internal storage and external. Let's plug it in. First time. My external storage looks empty. Let's open it. No, it's not exactly empty. I have instruction manual in English. Let's open this PDF file. It's opening. Alright, looks like I have everything that I need, that I have in this user guide. I have it right in here. Go back. My photos is here. Alrighty, I have my user guide photo right in here on my flash drive. Going back, all the way back. I also can see my contact, photos, camera and recorder. Some settings in here. Let's go back and connect it to my laptop. Now I'm going to use this USB-C adapter and plug it into my laptop. Alright, it appears here. And this is my photo. Pretty cool. As you can see, this flash drive works perfectly with all my devices. I can use it with iPhone, Android phone, MacBook or Windows PC, transfer files back and forth from one device to another, shoot pictures right from iPhone when flash drive is connected. Also I can shoot video, I can back up contacts from the phone and much more. So this thing looks cool and works fine for me. Thank you for watching.